Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right.
Hey, what's good, you guys? How you guys doing today? Hope your day is going great, and if not watching this video, make things 10 times better, man. We are back at it again. Today we are out here, down here in South Florida, man. Last night we pulled up. Chad let us stay at his crib for the night, so that was great. Thank you, Chad, for letting us do that. Have a place to crash. Got the bikes in the back. We have some things that we really want to get done and hit up some certain spots. Yesterday's ride day, race at Gatorback, we just absolutely needed a chance to be able to wash our clothes. Everything was muddy and dirty, so we got it. Damn! Okay, great.
Yeah, you know the vibes.
Okay. But yeah, man, we just needed to, you know, this is all our dirty clothes, so we're stopping here at the laundromat just to get everything done. I'm ready to take these bad boys out once again, baby. We riding every day this week, man. You know, the worst thing about it, yesterday my boots were super muddy. I tried to wash them and they're not dry.
How about that helmet you washed?
Oh, my helmet?
I think you might have forgotten one thing.
I tried to wash it as best I could, you know. Why you laughing? Check out the helmet. Boom. What'd you shake your head for?
Man, that is disgusting.
I mean, you can watch
this. It's heavy.
Nah, you just hate it, cuz. Damn.
Bro, what are you doing?
Thought that was funny?
Yeah, maybe he can't catch your camera, man.
Damn, that hurt my ankle.
Bro, that was so stupid. I'm not picking that up. You picking that up. You deserve to have to pick that up. That was embarrassing.
That'll be fun.
Hey, don't put that one on there.
Nah.
You can't put that one on there.
Definitely can't put that one on there.
We have made it here to Spyder MX. What you guys are seeing here right now is their indoor. It used to be a supercross type deal, right? Indoor supercross. Yeah. But now it is a pit bike track for Pee-wees and pit bikes. It actually says it right out there.
I'll let you getting on the podium.
You think that's funny? Someone's already up there, huh?
Who is that?
I don't know. Is he pretty good? Pretty good rider?
He looks like he might shred. Plus 40 maybe?
Oh no, well yeah, most definitely.
No, plus 50 actually.
Yeah,
plus
I was about
50.
to say. Man, check this place out, you guys. You guys let me know down in the comments if you guys are in the Florida area and have been here to Spyder MX. It's pretty dope how they put it in here though. Something on my face? Other than my hair?
I was gonna say your hair, but no.
I feel like it's a spider on my face.
Oh crap, there is. No.
Not saying it's feel like it's a spider on my face just because we're at Spyder MX, but you know what I'm saying?
Got him. Yes, sir. This place is sick. I like it. Give it some pepper, bro.
Get all up in there, boy. Dude. This is where all the damn gas is going.
Perfect. Nah, we're good. I like to smell it, and when I'm riding, it makes me a little bit faster.
You don't ride Dirtbikes, leave him alone. I'm just trying to help. I fucking know. Yeah, you gotta like hit it from the outside, and you see me how I jump it? I kind of jump it from the middle where it's all messed up, and like transfer over to the outside of it. So like prepares you more for that inside corner, but also you're not gonna land in all that like rough ass shit.
Hey, you got the keys?
Bro, what are you doing?
I gotta get my watch.
Oh my gosh. Time me thinking you was going out.
I know, I gotta get my watch.
You don't want to ride for real, do you?
What? I do, I want to get my watch.
Here, son.
You trying to get me doing a wheelie?
Hold on, repeat yourself.
I said, you trying to get me coming around and doing a wheelie?
You can wheelie.
Excuse me?
Alright, I get it on camera.
Alright.
What the fuck? This man know he cannot wheelie for nothing. Let's see it. No, no, you gotta sit down. You gotta sit down. You gotta sit down. Yeah, try it, let's try it. Hey, let me try it.
That's just not really my thing, bro.
Let me try it. Lame. Come on, man. Don't be lame. You suck.
Again?
When do I not have a flat tire?
Really, bro?
Look, it's these rocks, bro. I hit a fat rock back there.
Dude, there are so many rocks out here, honestly, but it's still sick.
No, it wasn't even a rock. It was a boulder.
Today, feel free to like if you enjoyed it. Also, feel free to subscribe.
I'll see y'all later.
Two white gold, keep it lace, gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Like I'm every jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 powder bags and a ball made frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's 6, cause you know YV gotta get that.